You know, movie theaters, especially independently owned movie theaters, have really struggled during the pandemic. And now there is help on the way, but for some, it may be coming a little too late. Our Patrick Johnstone explains.
For 6 months, the Rio 6 Cinema here in Beeville was closed. In September, they opened back up, but it was a slow process to get back to business.
The business has been in Sid Hall's family for nearly 100 years.
1922 is when my grandfather started the company.
But the pandemic threatened the business staying open.
Well, we had a hard time with content, and we're a content-driven business, of course.
Hall playing whatever films he could get to attract people to the theater. Late last month, a film released attracted people to see it in theaters, Godzilla vs. Kong.
We were astounded at the number of people that showed up, and we were quite busy.
One thing that should help Hall and other theater owners, the Small Business Association is working on a grant for theaters in danger of closing. The problem? The grant was supposed to be made available in January.
Well, it's extremely frustrating. We've been preparing for this grant for months, and the rules and the procedures of the grant, change frequently.
The grant has been pushed back each month, and last week the application portal crashed.
There's theaters everywhere that are closing because they can't wait for the grant. So if the grant doesn't come through, I think 75% of the small independent theaters across the country will close.
But Hall said he has persevered and is doing everything he can to stay in business.
Well, I mean, it's been very difficult, but we're going to survive.
For information on the operations of each of the Rio 6 locations, check out their website. That link can be found on our website, christv.com. Reporting for the Rebound Coast to Bend, I'm Patrick Johnstone.